Okay, boomer. Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a shop on our simulator. This is part 8. I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so I made a model, link in description. You just want to place it into your workspace and follow the instructions. Alright, for example, it says put in replicated storage. You want to put it in replicated storage and ungroup it. Same thing with the server script service. If you press text label, make sure it's text scaled. I forgot to do this, so just press text scaled and it'll make it look so much better. Alright, so now what you want to do is open up your toolbox and search up wooden sword or any sword that you want. Select the one that you want to make it sell and then you put it in lighting. Now rename it to something super simple without any spaces so it works. So now you're probably thinking this is super complicated, but it's really not. Where I highlighted right now is the name of your weapon. So make sure that's the name of your weapon. Mine is called wooden sword, so I'm going to name it wooden sword. Okay, so now these numbers that I'm highlighting right now are actually the price. So whatever you name it to the top is to be the bottom. Trust me, this will all make sense in a minute. Oh, is it what? Okay, so now what I'm doing is just renaming my text to my weapon name and the price. What do you see? So now I'm just going to add some detail. If I were you, I wouldn't add any detail. You'll see in a minute. There's a fix to this, but it's kind of hard to do. But alright, take your own risk. Alright, so I've been editing for like 5 hours now, and I keep getting distracted. So I just want to thank you guys for 300 subs. It's been almost like 2 months, and I'm already at that goal. I just want to keep going and keep producing really good content and getting tons of likes and views, and soon one day to be monetized. Make sure to like the video and subscribe, hit the notification bell. As you can see, I'm just adding duplicate shop parts so it looks better. Okay, so this is the second part of the tutorial. We got the shop down. All we need to do is make the item save when you leave and join the game. Okay, make sure your API services are checked, and yeah. Okay, so you have to follow the instructions really carefully here. So these replicate storage and server script service. Drag them to their assigned areas and then ungroup them, and it should work. Okay, so now that you've ungrouped everything, you'll see this area called library. So in that folder, you want to put all the weapons that you're selling in the shop, because when the player buys it, it's going to trigger the scripts and it's going to save everything that's in the library. So just copy everything you're lighting into the library folder and everything should work from there. But of course, if you have any questions, you can always join the Discord server. We have people active 24/7. Not really, but we have people active a lot, and they could always help you if you have any problems. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Crispy, and I am out.